Alright, so we're back to dividing exponents. Alright, let's go ahead and look to see what we have here once we divide these exponents. Exponent terms, not dividing exponents, but dividing exponent terms. So remember, for dividing, they have the same base. The two terms we're dealing with have the same base. You're going to subtract. Okay, so we have here 11 minus 9. We're subtracting. The base is 5, so the base in your answer is going to stay 5. 11 minus 9, well, that equals 2. Okay, so you have 5 squared. Okay, you could also put that the answer is, well, what's 5 squared? 5 squared is 25. Right, 5 times 5. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. We're dividing, right? Same base. The base will stay the same, 3. Now I'm going to subtract 5 minus 12. Okay, 5 minus 12 is going to be negative 7. Okay, so we don't want to leave the answer like this. 3 to the negative 7. We know now that negative exponents, we're going to rewrite them as a fraction. Negative exponents means a number between 0 and 1. Bigger than 0, smaller than 1. Okay, it's bigger than 0. It can't be a negative value, right? It's going to be a small value. So, rewrite that. 3 to the negative 7, I'm going to rewrite it as a fraction. Right? 1 is going to go in the numerator. And 3 to the negative 7, that's going to become 3 to the positive 7 in the denominator. Okay? Alright, next one. Base is the same, 2. In my answer, the base is going to be 2. Okay? I'm subtracting, so the order matters. I'm going to do 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 gives me a negative 3. Okay, I have a negative exponent. I'm going to rewrite that as a fraction. 1 goes in the numerator, just like over here. 2 to the negative 3 is going to become 2 to the positive 3 in the denominator. Alright, so there's my answer. I could also simplify this one. This number is small enough where I could put 1 over, and I know that 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Right? So 2 to the third power is 8. So it's going to be 1 over 8. 2 to the negative 3 power, 1 over 8. Okay. Let's do 2 more. Let's look at number 4. Number 4. Alright. Dividing. Base is the same. It's going to be x. Okay. Now I want to subtract the exponents. 4 minus, there's no exponent on this bottom x. That means the exponent there is 1. Okay, so I'm doing 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, so it's going to be x to the third power. No negative exponents. Okay, so just like in number 1, no negative exponents, I can just leave it as x to the third power. Okay, if you get a negative exponent when you subtract, right, then you're going to need to rewrite that as a fraction. Okay, alright, 4 to the third divided by 4 to the third. Alright, base is 4. Now I'm going to do 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is going to be 0. 4 to the 0. Okay, then you need to know that 4 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power, is 1. Okay, alright, let's do one last one for good measure here. Alright, so the base is y, so I can subtract the exponents. In my answer, the base will also be y. So I'm going to subtract now 5 minus 11. Okay, 5 minus 11 is negative 6, so it's going to be my exponent. Negative exponent means I'm going to have to rewrite it as a fraction. 1 goes in the numerator, y to the positive 6 goes in the denominator.